I think one of the most important things in this day and age is to create a style that is unique, create a style that is individual to you. This allows us to not have to compete against CNC machines in China, and it's very important to have something that people spot and go, that is a Joy Brigham piece. Certain tools really allows me to do that. I'm always on the search for these tools, and when I find it, it's great to have in my back pocket for when I need it. I love the tools that do a job that no other tool can do. For me, I feel like a Kutzall is the opposite of a CNC or a huge machine. It really allows the user to put their own stamp on it, give each piece character and soul. With the dish and disc, it allows you to take off a lot of material quickly, yet you still have that control. Now the burrs, very much more of a detailed application. You're able to get in those specific areas with all the different grits, really allows you to focus on those hard to get areas. With the rasps, it really allows you to clean up those parts with ultimate control, with just your hands doing the shaping, which I always love, being able to be completely controlled when you need it the most. Kutzall allows me to be unconventional, and for me, that's everything in this industry.